How to become a video pro with Pictory, tips and tricks. Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a video pro with Pictory. Pictory is a powerful video making app that is perfect for both beginners and experienced video creators. If you're new to video making, you might be wondering how you can create videos that look professional and stand out. And that's where such a powerful video editor like Pictory comes in. This app is incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate, which means even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to create professional quality videos in no time. Plus, it offers a wide range of features that will help you take your videos to the next level. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that will help you become a video pro with Pictory. From choosing the right template to adding special effects, animations, and transitions, I'll take you step by step through the process of creating professional quality videos that will wow your audience. First, we're going to take a look at the different video templates that Pictory has to offer. These templates are designed to fit different occasions and purposes, such as travel videos, product demos, and much more. But the real secret to creating professional quality videos with Pictory is the editing tools it offers. With Pictory, you can easily edit and trim your media, add text, special effects, animations and transitions to make your videos more engaging and dynamic. You can also use the green screen effect to replace the background of your footage, or the split screen feature to show multiple videos at the same time. These tools will help you elevate your videos and make them stand out. Finally, when you're done editing your video, it's time to export it. Pictory allows you to export your videos in different formats and resolutions, so you can share them on your social media platforms and websites. Plus, you can also add a logo or a watermark to your video to promote your brand. In conclusion, Pictory is a powerful and user-friendly app that will help you elevate your video content and make your videos stand out. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced video creators. So, if you're ready to take your videos to the next level, give Pictory a try today. And don't forget to share your creations with us by tagging us on social media or tell us all about it in the comments section below. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also the bell icon so that you can be alerted the minute we post a new video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.